Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Global Conflict News channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Today, we delve into a remarkable event that has captured international attention. Ukraine's audacious drone strike on Moscow's $1.2 billion city towers. This unprecedented attack has not only shocked Russia but also underscored the evolving nature of modern warfare. Let's explore the details of this incident, examining the exterior and interior of the targeted structures, the performance of the buildings during the attack, the safety features that were in place, the unique selling points of the city towers, their price, and conclude with the broader implications of this event. The city towers, part of the Moscow International Business Center, are among the most iconic landmarks in Russia. These towering structures, with their sleek glass facades and modern architectural design, symbolize Russia's economic prowess and ambition. Standing tall in the heart of Moscow, they house numerous multinational corporations, luxury apartments, and high-end retail outlets. The exterior of these buildings is a testament to contemporary engineering and design, featuring state-of-the-art materials and construction techniques. The glass panels reflect the city's skyline, creating a mesmerizing visual effect that has made the city towers a focal point of Moscow's urban landscape. Inside, the city towers offer a blend of luxury and functionality. The interiors are designed to cater to the needs of high-profile tenants, with spacious offices, state-of-the-art facilities, and panoramic views of the city. The design emphasizes openness and transparency, with open-plan layouts and floor-to-ceiling windows that allow natural light to flood the spaces. The buildings are equipped with modern amenities, including high-speed elevators, advanced HVAC systems, and smart building technologies that enhance comfort and efficiency. The interiors reflect a commitment to excellence, providing an environment that fosters productivity and well-being. Performance-wise, the city towers have been engineered to withstand various challenges, including seismic activity and extreme weather conditions. The structural integrity of the buildings is reinforced with advanced materials and construction methods, ensuring stability and durability. The towers are equipped with backup power systems, ensuring that critical operations can continue in the event of a power outage. The performance of these buildings during the recent drone strike was a testament to their robust design, as they withstood the impact without significant structural damage. Safety features in the city towers are comprehensive and multifaceted. The buildings are equipped with advanced fire suppression systems, including sprinklers and smoke detectors, to mitigate the risk of fire. Security measures include 24/7 surveillance, access control systems, and a dedicated security team trained to respond to various emergencies. In the aftermath of the drone strike, these safety features were put to the test. The building's fire suppression systems were activated, and emergency protocols were swiftly implemented to ensure the safety of occupants. The response was efficient and effective, minimizing potential harm and demonstrating the effectiveness of the safety measures in place. The unique selling points of the city towers extend beyond their architectural grandeur and safety features. The prime location in Moscow's business district offers unparalleled access to major transportation hubs, making it an attractive destination for businesses and residents alike. The building's design incorporates sustainable practices, including energy-efficient systems and materials, aligning with global trends towards environmental responsibility. The city towers also offer a range of amenities, including fitness centers, restaurants, and retail outlets, providing a comprehensive living and working experience for their occupants. Priced at $1.2 billion, the city towers represent a significant investment in Moscow's real estate market. This valuation reflects the prime location, high-quality construction, and the array of amenities offered by the buildings. The investment also signifies confidence in Moscow's economic future and the demand for premium commercial and residential spaces. The recent drone strike, while causing temporary disruptions, has not diminished the value of the city towers but has instead highlighted their resilience and the importance of robust security measures in modern infrastructure. In conclusion, the drone strike on Moscow's $1.2 billion city towers serves as a stark reminder of the vulnerabilities inherent in even the most secure and advanced structures. While the buildings performed admirably during the incident, the event underscores the need for continuous evaluation and enhancement of safety and security measures. The city towers, with their blend of luxury, functionality, and resilience, continue to stand as a symbol of Moscow's aspirations and a testament to the evolving landscape of modern warfare and urban development.